Okay, we got June 25th, 2026. Market opens up in about 10 minutes. We have 8:30 news that came out today. A lot of news. And Trump spoke yesterday at the after the close, 8:30 p.m. So let's see what the market did. And let's see what mountain levels look like. So I'm gonna move this out the way for a minute. We're gonna zoom out. All right, so I had a level up here. It looks like price respected it and then sold off after the noon. I was looking at this level earlier. Price really nicely bounced out of that, so I missed that opportunity. Price sold down, stayed down here. Nice little move up, and then at the end, after the market closed, moved up. And we're back to this level again. All right, let's look at it from a different lens. This one. Nope. Said this one. I don't see that one. There it is. No, why it wasn't popping up. All right, look at it from a different lens. All right. Gonna look at it from the 5-minute perspective. All right. So here we got volume, we got speed. Looking at this level here. At the open, price moved up. Here we got volume and speed, but it's going too fast. All right. Price came back. And then volume was happening, and then we moved. All right. So maybe I could have found something here. Let's look at the tick chart. All right, so this is it. Bow, 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 bam. And that was the movement up. This was the first one that happened so quickly. This was the second one. We go to the 25. Do got a hammer. This is where I would have wanted to enter into this one right here. And then just move up until we got to here. So this one here was a 40-point move. Awesome move. And lasted about 28 minutes. Okay. Just looking at that, where this level comes from. If we look at the line chart, you see that a nice move up. Nice move up. I think we started at the 75. Couldn't really get a clear movement. Right, it's a lot going on, but I did Mark 75. We bounced up, came down. Right, 50, kind of jagged, but there was something here holding. And then on the 25, we can see that nice move up, came back down, consolidation, nice move up again, and then another nice move up. So these lines here with the volume, price was just holding. All right. 20, what did it look like on the 20? All right, nice, yes, nice solid move. Yeah, consolidation, consolidation. That's probably where it came from. Nice move up, consolidate. We had buying coming in here. Nice move up, came back down again. All right, so area of interest. That's now done. Get rid of that, get rid of these here. All right, so now we're gonna focus on other areas. So let's go to the main chart. We're gonna set up the high and the low. Going from, I'm gonna skip everything else, go straight to the 30-minute time frame. I just want to set the high and the low. Low is gonna be right here. High is gonna be right there. All right, let's mark that. Wow. We can get rid of this and that and this, and obviously all of this can go. All right, gonna reset that. This can go, this can go. All right, so dealing with the high and low back inside last week's low. All right, now if we go to the drag this out. All right, and if we go to also got the settlement price. Let's just do that now. All right, market opens up soon. Trying to go a little faster because the market opens up. All right, pop about. Okay. Weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, maybe a rejection up here. 30 minutes, 15 minutes, right? So none of this is really like resonating well with me. Got a nice little 5 minute down here. All right, want to see what the volume chart, the tick chart is giving. My brain feels a lot clearer today. All right, 75. You see that we got a nice little buy coming out here. Definitely an area of interest. Keeping an eye up here to see what comes of it. Area of interest as well. 50. Let's go to 75. We'll mark the high with a 75 and a low of the 75. All right, because that's really holding. And then this one here. And then we're gonna add this. It's gonna be 75. So at the bottom, we're gonna get rid of that. Also get rid of date. And then we're gonna move this one here. And then we're gonna extend downwards and cancel upward extension. All right. So we got our cross happening. All right. We're gonna go to 50, see where price is. All right. So probably a strong rejection up here, strong buy up here. All right. Because we are below. All right. Got space to bounce and move. 25. Let's see. Did we cross into 25? Nope. Nope. An either or. All right. So now we're gonna look for let's go to the 20s. We're going to look for ways to really make this work. Let's go back to 75. We're going to look a little closer. What we got, I think the extremes are what we're going to look at. Okay, we got a nice little 50 right here. Trying to hurry up because market does open up very soon. And so far, I'm only looking at just, yes, haven't set up everything else. Okay. Let's go 25. Kind of cleared that. Don't know how I feel about this. And then 20. Okay, kind of holding it, so maybe. All right. Let's go to the candle chart. I'm going to start recording because we're already in session. All right, not sure if we're streaming, but it is. All right, 75. Bye. 50. Hmm. 25. 20. Okay. All right. Kind of done with that. All right, let's go to NQ and just set the highs and lows, and also with VIX. Market opens up now, so I'm gonna be finishing setting up as we go. I don't think we did much with the 8-hour. We're above yesterday's high. So that was settlement price. So because I'm still setting up, I'm not gonna rush anything. There's still tomorrow, there's still next week, there's still many other days, right? Let's add settlement price. This feels right for some reason, don't know why. Damn, 635 bucks. Damn. Alright. Price is freaking ridiculous. So they're both above last week's low. I'm gonna stop there for now. I'm just gonna add this to the box here. And then the one at the bottom. And then I'm gonna go to VIX, and that'll be it. Like price is dropping right now. Let's go to VIX. VIX never fully cleared that gap, clean that gap. So that's that. I'm gonna add the high and low with VIX and then call it a day there as well. Okay, that's it. Move the high, and then let's get to it. I'll mark this here. That's pretty much it. All right. So not gonna overthink it. Keep an eye on price. Gonna look at this 50 level here and there. We're gonna see how price reacts with yeah, but price is definitely nosediving right now. Like it has nothing better to do. Yep. All right. I'm gonna holler at you later. Adios.